yards, I think it is. Well, the truck had to move a little further back, he said, but I was fine where it was. Oh, I see. He does have to move forward. I see, I see. Wow. I might have mismeasured. Uh-oh. Oh, that's because the car was coming. He's not stuck. That's gonna cover all that? I don't know about that. You might have mismeasured. We might have to get a second load. The mulch came.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that's easier.
Rather than lift, you want to spread.
Okay, instead of lift, I want to spread. All right, I think I've got it. All right. Okay, the mulch is here. I'm just going to go and start raking it. I'm not going to be doing talking, so I will just speed up the process. It's a shredded cedar mulch. Okay, I've got enough mulch down that I think that now I can use my wheelbarrow to roll it and not touch the cardboard and mess it all up. So I'm going to start loading my little gorilla cart and start doing it that way. I'm getting there. Hey everyone, you're gonna notice that I did change my clothes. I was wearing a t-shirt that is kind of special to me, and I realized it like when I'm almost done. So I had to run in and change my clothes, and I also changed my shoes because they were getting kind of wet and soggy. So that was about 6 yards that I ordered the first time, and I probably will order another 3 yards. That way I can cover the corner section that we removed and also the side section that we removed. I do like it. It's like shredded. It does have a lot of moisture in it because we've had a lot of rain, so it is a muddy mess to put it out. I mean, I did get very dirty. I even changed my shoes. But anyway, so I'm gonna finish up this area and then I'll probably take another break. Rest my little wrists. I'm trying, if you have noticed, I'm making sure to go left arm, left leg, right leg to get the same workout. And I'm doing about 10 scoops per side just to keep it from my body getting one side wore out over the other side. I am prone to that, so one hip getting really sore and causing me to walk in a funny angle. So I'm also trying to do it in a way that also protects my body. So I highly recommend, if you're doing a job like this, that you are mindful about your body mechanics and also about not overusing one side over the other. I'm definitely weaker on my left, so you'll see bigger scoops probably on the right hand side, but my left hand, you know, I'm working on it. So anyway, let's get back to it. One more thing I wanted to mention, this cedar shredded mulch smells so wonderful. It is a pleasure to be in that cedar mulch. So I am not in any way, I'm enjoying it. It just smells so good. I think if you're going to do a hard task like this, it does help to have a nice aroma around you, and that cedar mulch smells really good. Looks like my resident Robin came to visit. He's probably thinking like, what is she doing? Let's see if I can get him back in view. Oh, he's behind my wagon. No, he's in front of it now. I can just get my camera to angle down. He's like, what'd you do with the mud? Going over to the grass. He's so proper. Huh? He's up there. Well, he was up there. Flew away. Oh well. Well, I had a second load delivered. So now I'm going to put that in the wagon and I'm going to take it to the corner location. I'm not going to video that though because it's really bright and sunny out here and it's really hot, and so I'm just gonna go ahead and do it and not video it. Oh, look at this. Balloon flower is blooming. Hello there. Aren't I so nice and pretty?